That nigga Jimmy hit me up there trying to say some shit about Donald Trump because the immigrants like he ain't out here fucking over Mexican artists with contracts. Nigga, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nigga, you over here screwing over niggas left and right.
This nigga just dropped a fall. I got two phones, one for get some rest, baby.
That's fine. I see it. I'm a natural shit talker, dude. I'm a natural shit talker. I'm a natural shit talker. A natural shit talker. I'm a natural. I'm a natural shit talker. I'm a natural shit talker. Me the doors for being time. I'm a natural shit talker. I'm a natural shit talker, dude.
Oh, nigga, his homie's right there sniping. Like, what the fuck? I made the news for being an actual shit talker. I really don't think this nigga's ever made the news for no shit like that. You think he's valid in the hood, Dose?
I mean, I probably wouldn't have peeped this. You feel me? If I'm just dead knocked out, but you know, even him hovering over, I feel like I'm feeling a presence in the room. Y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. So I'm acting like y'all know what I'm talking about. This shit loud as fuck. This nigga got why it sound like he in a club? The real life bass in his That don't even make sense.
What is this?
Nigga, all in his drawers, ain't it?
This ain't even crazy, Ted. Where's his wire G chain? Where's his wire G chain? This shit too little. I know this nigga used this as a tax wrap. Where is this nigga wire G chain?
I can't believe this. I can't.